at how to fund your ad account on Facebook. Now, to fund your ad account on Facebook, you simply go to the URL adsmanager.facebook.com. And once you click on adsmanager.facebook.com, you can see the URL here, adsmanager.facebook.com. It brings you to the ad account settings. Under the ad account setting, you simply click on your payment settings. When you click on payment settings, you'll be able to see the available funds or the total amount you have in your ad account. And then you can hit the add payment button to be able to add payment. So these are some payments that were done before now. You can also change your currency if you want. If your currency is not in Naira, you can change it to Naira. If you want it to be in dollar, you can do all of that here. So you set your currency to Nigerian Naira and set the time zone. You can add the business name, address if you want. Then once all of that is set, like this particular account has the currency in Nigerian Naira. And if you had a card like Cheaper Cash or Bitsika card, these are online virtual that you can use to make payments on the internet. So if you have those cards, obviously you'll be able to, or if you also have Zenith Bank Mastercard, Zenith Bank works up to now, it still works, but mine works. But if it doesn't work for you, then you can quickly go to bitsika.com or Cheaper Cash. You can get these apps on Play Store, and once you have this particular app, you sign up and get a virtual Mastercard or Visa card, and from there you can fund your card and come over here. Once you click on add payment method, you select Naira payment with Mastercard. So just select this particular option, Naira payment with Mastercard, then you click next. Once you click next, you enter how much you intend to fund, 20,000 as the case may be, 10,000, 15,000 maybe. Once you enter the amount, you click next. Ensure you have funds or money in your card, and once you do that, it brings you to this particular page. You hit continue. We're using PayU as our payment option, and once this particular payment page comes up, you enter your card details, enter the card name, card month and year, and those are all the details you need, and you just hit pay, and your payment will be successful in less than 1 minute. And once that is done successfully, you see that the fund will reflect immediately here in your account. And once the fund reflects, then at this point you can now go back and then go to your ad center and be able to now run a successful ad.